A lot of the time I travel with the actual sewing machine, and then I'll just do whatever work I need to do from there. This time I'm mainly hand stitching this all the way around, and I don't need that much. I could travel light. I was really wanting to have a feather moment. It just elevates your look to a whole nother level. It's not just any day. The bro's getting married. I have everything clipped down, clipped all the way around, and I'm gonna continue sewing where I left off previously. As you can see, I've been hand stitching it in. Let me show you my supplies. So I brought handy dandy scissors with me, the container of the clip. It has gloves because the feathers will stain your hands, and I'm like, whoa, let me just have some gloves. So they're kind of green. And then I have a needle and thread. You can kind of see the thread a little bit. It's kind of hard to see, but yes, it's a needle and a thread. Say one for the trouble, two for the time. Come on, girls, let's rock that. So I have completed one layer of stitch. So now what I'm gonna do is go back through and go over it again because I need my stitches to be secure. Okay, I'm just taking it from the outside and putting my needle under. So all these feathers are attached to a rope like string. Can you see that white right there? It's like a rope, and they're kind of tied to the rope. So what I'm doing is I'm taking my needle, securing it, I'm going under that rope. When I go through, I'm going under the rope, and then I pull it out nice and straight, and then I finagle the thread through the feathers because I don't want my feathers to get trapped. If they get trapped, then they're going to be all smashed. That's not cute. That's not, ooh. So once I have finagled my thread down, as you can see, it's laying down nice and flat. Check the front. Make sure we're not bending any feathers. Looks good. Repeat. Taking my needle, going back under. That'd be kind of hard to see. Under the rope, pulling it through, finagling down, making sure all feathers, come out, are secured. And repeat. Going under the rope, pulling through, finagle thread down, make sure all the feathers are good. Check the other side, looks good. Repeat. Oh yeah, and I found that it was easier for me to keep a glove on the hand that I'm holding the dress with, and then I'm moving much quicker without having a glove on the hand that I'm actually sewing with. I hope that helps. I just continue on here, repeating the same process until we make it to the end. As long as you keep going, you'll make it all the way around. Finally done.